In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forecast revenue in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable revenue forecast that helps you plan with confidence, and it only takes a few clicks. Once you're logged into Pipedrive, start by heading to Insights on the left-hand sidebar. Insights is where Pipedrive keeps all your analytics, reports, and dashboards, so it's the perfect place to build a quick forecast that stays up to date as your data changes. Next, look to the top left and click the Create button. Then choose Reports. This opens a blank canvas for your report and keeps everything organized under Insights so you can revisit and tweak it anytime. Now, you'll choose what to report on. Set the entity to Revenue Forecast. Then select the report type as either Product or Deal. Here's a quick way to decide. Pick Deal if you want a forecast based on the total value of opportunities in your pipeline. Choose Product if your team uses product-level pricing and you need a forecast that breaks down revenue by items sold. Both options pull from your existing data. The key is to match your report type to how your sales team tracks value. With the base set, it's time to refine the view. Add your preferred filters so you're forecasting what actually matters. Common filters include specific pipelines or stages, deal owners or teams, and the date range, usually grouped by expected close date. You can also filter out lost or deleted records to keep the numbers clean. If you notice gaps, double-check that your deals have expected close dates and values. Forecasts depend on those fields being filled in accurately. Next, choose your graph type and the measure. A line chart works well for trends over time, while a bar chart is great for clear month-to-month comparisons. For the measure, select the total expected revenue or the weighted value if you want probability factored in. Grouping by month or quarter gives you a quick, digestible view. Pick whichever matches your planning cycle. Keep the visualization simple and readable so stakeholders can understand it at a glance. When you're happy with the setup, click Save at the top right. Give your report a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later and share with your team. That's it. You've just built a fast, accurate revenue forecast in Pipedrive. Use it to track progress, spot trends, and make smarter decisions as your pipeline evolves.